Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The economy of Great Britain finally went out of the recession. However, the weak nature of the economic activity growth in the fourth quarter of 2009 points to the fact that the market participants staking on the British pound decrease will hardly lose their control over the situation. According to data published at the National Bureau of Statistics of Great Britain, the country's GDP in the fourth quarter increased only by 0.1% in comparison with the previous quarter. As against the fourth quarter of 2008, the Great Britain GDP reduced only by 3.2%. The economists were expecting the GDP advance in fourth quarter by 0.4%. The publication of less favorable data than it was expected led to the decline of the pound-dollar pair. Meanwhile, the signals about the future condition of the economy do not look as enthusiastic. In point of fact, in Great Britain almost during the whole year, the policy of the zero interest rates as well as the quantitative softening in amount of $200 billion were held. The budget deficit is close to the rate of 12% from the GDP, whereas the cost of the pound is determined in the market conditions. At that, the economy only demonstrated the growth of activity only by 0.1%. Such insignificant increase of the economic activity probably will refresh talks if the Bank of England considers the extension of the quantitative softening program in the course of the February meeting. Moreover, the rise of the economic activity in middle-term and long-term outlooks probably will restrain the long-lasting and large-scale tightening of the fiscal policy, which should be done for the purpose of control over the weak public finances. In such a way, there are a small number of positive fundamental factors for the pound, whereas the technical picture for the British currency is also not encouraging. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.